Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2006 Bluebird XL. Alrighty then. As I said, 2006 Bluebird XL. A good pan in the front here. That's XL as in EXCEL, not like extra large. Alright, full-size transit bus here. We're going to come on in. We got a blue ribbed aisleway, stepway, yellow step nosing, some grab rails coming on inside. Driver seat upholstery, looks good. It's got a few stains down there. Other than that, looks good. Got a armrest as well. As far as the stereo here, we got a AM/FM stereo with a cassette. We also got your climate controls here, and powered mirrors. There's your gauge cluster there. Over here is your Allison automatic transmission shift pad, park and brake, windshield wipers. So you open and close the doors. They'll actually open the rear door right now. You can see that. Lights, high idle, and then fans and lights. Alright, so in the back here, this is a 45 passenger, so 45 seats. These are Friedman featherweight mid-back seats, kind of what you'd see in a shuttle bus. They all have grab handles. These ones are fold-away seats. The wheelchair lift is currently inoperable right now, but if someone did need that working, it's possible. And those seats can fold up towards the wall to allow space for wheelchair passengers. Seat covers look great. There's no rips, cuts, or tears, anything like that. It's not foam sticking out. Look in good shape. Up top we got the dual ceiling grab handles, and here is the rear door. Rear door is fully operational, works just fine, or the midship door, whatever you want to call it. There are two emergency exit hatches up top, and we'll make our way outside. Alright, here's the passenger side front tire.
A good shot of the undercarriage.
Midship door, and here is the passenger side rear tires. Alright, I'll show you the engine area here. By the Cat C7 7.2 liter turbo diesel engine. Tour style windows up top.
This is the rear driver's side tires. Underneath.
And last but not least,
Here's the front driver's side tire.
well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses on our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thank you very much for watching.